Hey everyone, today we want to show this amazing project. It's sad project, but it's also amazing. It's about COVID-19 global impact analysis, and that is the first demo. You can see this is the desktop version of website. This analysis desktop analysis like dashboard, and here is the phone version. You can see that, and I want to show this project about you can use your own analyze, and you can I give you everything is open source. That's important. I show you this everything is project and code and notebook, and here is the live demo in this website. You can check this link. Also I share this in here this you can choose this your own date, like when you want to analyze, and you can choose your WHO reason, and you can choose your own country. Here is the country. You can type search and you can select like US. Right now I search. Then here is the some advanced setting. You can like dark mirror and other, you can choose it. And here is the global impact animation. How is the flow? Here is the first in China, then it worldwide now. And here I want to show you something that 224 country effect, and here is the total people, and here is the how much people is die, and here's the top 10 country analyzed, and here is the top 20 effect, and here is this people die, and you can see this most people die in Brazil. We can see this worldwide. And here's the another section we can choose is global trend over the time. Here is the timeline, and you can see this, and reason, effect or die, you can see this. And here is the WH reason analyze, which reason more affected. You can see this Europe is more effective, and you can choose on off. And here the tree map, you can choose any country and analyze in deeply which country is more affected and who is recover. And here is the summary, and here is the another section is my most favorite. You can comparison your country or other country. Here's some country selection. You can choose on off, and here's another dashboard or graph, you can say, and you can on off and choose your country. And here the details data set, you can download JSON, CSV, or here the description of column. And here the our project GitHub repository. Here the link I also add my description this video. And here the dataset you need to use, and I also share this in description, you can check it. And here our report is most important. You if understand this, here the report you must read it. I feel it's better you read it. So here the report in deeply you can understand, read. And if you like to read blog, here the blog we also write. You can choose blog or report, anything else you want. And that's it. I think you love this project and you can try. Thank you.